When we meet somebody first time, by what way we greet him or her? Good morning. How do you do? And good morning, good evening, good afternoon, good night depends or it varies according to time of the day. When you say good morning, until 12 p.m. Then after 12 p.m. then until 6 p.m. After 6 p.m. After 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. good evening. Good night from 10 p.m. to onwards. But casually we don't use good afternoon. Good evening is okay. Good morning. রাত 10:30. Good night. Actually, good night when you take leave, but you can just come to the point. You can use another expressions like how do you do? We are coming there. But good morning actually at any time. From morning to noon you can use. Good morning. Yes. And good evening actually when you may eat 10, at that time also you can use good evening for wishing. Then when to use how do you do and when to use how are you. How do you do and how are you? Do you know the difference between how do you do and how are you? How do you do actually there is no meaning. It's the synonym like hello. It's greeting like when you first time meet somebody and unknown. Then how do you do or hello like. And how are you actually question how are you and it demands reply that you must make reply. How do you do? Not exclamatory. Just how do you do for good expression. Expression is like that. How do you do? Not exclamatory. That's like surprise. You are not surprised here. Just expression for expression. How do you do? Hello, hi, hey, This is like expression. There is no meaning, just expression for greeting. Then how do UD is completely formal and hello also formal, and hi, hey, these are informal. These are also expression and these are informal. And how are you actually demands answers that how are you, I am fine, I am very well, or I am perfect, like this. How are you, how about you, how are you doing, like this. And in reply to how do you do, what can be the answer? You can just say how do you do. In reply also can say how do you do, and extra expression may be added like that, pleased to meet you or nice to meet you, delighted to meet you, or it's nice meeting you. The pleasure is mine. Suppose someone tells you in the first meeting, pleased to meet you, the answer will be the pleasure is mine. And good day, there is another expression like good day. It is used at the time of taking farewell. Good day, have a good day, or good day. Yes, good day. In reply you can say same to you, thanks. These expressions are formal, but in the informal way there are also more expressions, like with your friends or with someone familiar, you can reply, you can greet in informal way. Suppose how are you getting on? At that time actually it means that you know the person and you inquire of his condition, that how is life, how is life. How is it going? Pretty good, thanks. And in American style actually, how are you doing? This expression is most used. How are you doing? How are you doing? How are you doing? Yes. The answer may be so-so. So-so. How are you doing? So-so. How are you doing? How are you doing? So-so. How are you doing? What's up? How are you is formal, but how are you doing? What's up? That means you want to know the condition of the person. What's up? How is life? Or how are things with you? How are things with you? You can't explain them by words, but these are expression for greeting. How are things with you? What's up? How are you doing? Informal. How are you doing? What's up? Informal way of greeting. The answer may be nothing much, or so-so, or pretty good, or not so bad. Now for introducing. Suppose for official introduction, you are a newcomer and you are looking for someone. At first, if you enter at an office, you must introduce yourself like this. Hello, I am Mr. Suhail, or I am from Dhaka Varsity, or I am from Airtel. Like this way, you will introduce yourself. Hello, I am Suhail, or hello, my name is Suhail. Like this way, you will introduce yourself. Then you will explain your reason for what purpose you have come. Like for I have an appointment with Mr. Kamran. Like this. Then receptionist, or who will welcome the person, he will welcome like this way. Oh yes, welcome to our office. Oh yes, he will be along with you in a few minutes. Just wait. And if you are the just person whom the person is looking for, you will just then introduce yourself. Oh hello, I am Mr. Kamran. We have spoken like this way. If you have previous dealings or phone conversation, you will just say, oh yeah, hello, I am Mr. Kamran. Okay, we have conversation or we have spoken on the phone before. Then you will say again that it's nice to be here. Thank you for giving welcoming. For giving welcoming, you just give the reply that, oh yes, thank you, or it's nice to be here. Or suppose a person is roaming around, it seems that you are in the office, but an unknown person is roaming around, it seems that he is looking for someone. At that time, you can ask him, how can we help you? Hello, I am Mr. Imon. How can we help you? At that time, the inquirer will make reply that, oh yes, thank you. I am Mr. Jaman. I was looking for that person, like that. I was looking for that person. This is formal way of introducing yourself and in the office situation. But suppose you are going to introduce another person to your colleague or to your friend. At that time, you must ask permission. This is also formal. Suppose in case of you are introducing your friend or your relative to your boss, at that time you must seek permission. Allow me to introduce my friend, or allow me to introduce you to one of my friend. Like this way, you must at first seek permission. Or may I introduce Mr. Locke to you? Then the reply must be who will who will be introduced, he must make reply just that, glad to meet you, hello, how are you, or how do you do. Suppose you are introducing with me, or you are introducing one of your friend like X, okay, then you are making introduction like that, may I introduce my colleague to you. Then at that time I must not say that I am giving permission, I must say, how do you do, glad to meet you, and he also must say that glad to meet you, or same to you, or me too, same to you, or me too, how about you. That means in the process of, in the course of introduction also there is step by step processing, that at first if someone say you hello, how are you, how about you, how do you do, then you must in reply say how do you do or hello. Then in the next step second person may say how about you, and in the next step first person may say I am fine, thank you, how are you. And then the second person again may say me too, thanks, or it's nice to be here. Okay, suppose you are going to welcome some person in the airport. He is completely unknown, but he has taken a long journey, and suppose he is a visitor to your office, then you does not know him, but by watching get up you are trying to recognize him. At that time how do you do, how will you welcome you or introduce yourself to him. At that time you can say how do you do, or suppose at first you can say are you Mr. Smith, are you Mr. Smith, or are you Mr. X. Then he must say yes, I am Mr. X. Then you must make greeting like how do you do, or how do you do, or then further you can make inquiry like that, did you have a good journey, did you have a good journey, oh it was fine, thanks. The reply must be oh it was fine, thanks. Do you know the difference between trip and journey? Journey actually long, when it will be long journey, and long that you have come by making many travel, but trip actually short. That is why when it will be about long coming or long journey by means, then it will be journey. How was the journey, or how was the trip, or what was the journey, or did you have a good journey. Okay, suppose you are at a party, at that time you are interested to introduce yourself to someone unknown. At that time you can introduce like this way, hello, I am, or may I introduce myself, I am Mr. Sohel. Then you will tell your designation or from where you have come. Suppose I am from Grameenphone, or I am from like this, your office name you can tell that I am from there and I am Mr. X, like that. Okay, these were formal way of introducing, but in the informal way, how can you introduce yourself? Suppose you are going to introduce your friend or relative, one friend to another friend, or one friend to your relative, or your colleague to your friend. You can just introduce like this way, have you met Mr. Arif, or I think, Or you can say, meet my friend Mr. Sohel, meet my friend Mr. Arif, he is my colleague, and Arif, this is Narmin, my friend. Like this way you can introduce yourself. And further language you can add, I don't think you have known each other, do you? This is informal way of introducing, like have you met or meet my friend. This is direct expression. Before, in the formal way, we have used like you have sought permission, like may I introduce you or allow me introduce my friend to you, like this way. But here we are introducing directly, meet my friend or have you met my friend, like this way. Or suppose you are interested to meet one person, suppose your colleague have brought a friend of his or her. Now you are interested to him or to her, then you can ask your colleague that introduce your friend, or won't you introduce your friend to me, like this way. Then welcoming. This welcoming may be to your office or to your department, like in your university life. In your department there are new batch of students get admitted. At that time you are welcoming, or in the presentation ceremony you are welcoming. This welcoming may be different type of, or in your home, at your home, like there is guest and now you are welcoming, or at a party you are the host and you are welcoming the guest. Suppose in your department the welcoming may be, welcome to our department, or nice to meet you. Then the reply will be that, it's nice to be here, thanks. And the welcomer again can say that, hope you enjoy your stay with us. And in case of ceremony welcoming or party welcoming, like it will be formal way like that, I am pleased to welcome you to our little celebration. Or it's an honor to have the privilege of welcoming you to our cultural program. Suppose it is a cultural program, to our cultural program or to our simple celebration. Or suppose it's the party, your boss, it may be birthday party or suppose marriage anniversary, then at a party you are the host and you are welcoming your boss at the party, then you must say, welcome to the party. Hello Mr. Smith, welcome to the party. Or suppose he is not your boss but colleague. At that time you can say, or you can greet like this way, hi Mr. Sohel, come and join the party. Or suppose there is a guest at your home, at that time you can say, hi or how do you do, welcome to our home. It's nice to meet you at last. And you can again frankly can say that make yourself at home or make yourself comfortable. the person who you will welcome, he must say, it's nice to be here, or that's very kind of you, thank you. Suppose someone is welcoming you, and in reply you must give thanks to him or to her. I think you have thought that what the question type may be. Suppose formal way of greeting, when to use how do you do, when to use how are you, and when to use good evening, when to use good afternoon.
Last class, whatever you taught us, you made a presentation on that. Would you like to see that one? Last
And thank you. How about you? Again you will ask him, how about you? Okay, thank you. Introduce your brother to your colleague. Which type of expression you can use? And if he is friendly, or suppose in your position, same rank, then you can say, hello Arif, meet my brother Mr. or meet my brother Adit, or like this. And again you will say, Adit, this is my colleague, or suppose your subordinate colleague. At that time also you can say, have you met, or Arif, meet my brother, or meet my friend Suhel. Suhel, this is my secretary. Like this way you can. And again your brother may give reply like that, hello Suhel, I am Adit. Okay, and nice to meet you. And your secretary may give the answer that, me too. A visitor comes after long traveling to see you. What would you say? You can at first say, how do you do? Did you have a good journey? Or welcome to our office. If it is office, or if it is home, at that time you can say, welcome to our home. Make yourself comfortable, or hope you will enjoy your stay with us. a new manager joins your office just, then you are welcoming him. As this is first meeting, you can say, how do you do? Welcome to our office. Or nice to meet you. Then he must give reply, nice meeting you or meet you. Or it's nice to be here. Or I am looking forward to working here with you. I am looking forward to working with you. You host a party and your MD is here. Now welcome your MD. Party is generally hosted in the evening. That's why it will be, good evening sir, welcome to our party. And he must accept it by saying, it's the pleasure is mine, or it's pleasant to be here, or it's nice to be here. So the welcoming must be accepted by saying, it's pleasant to be here, or it's nice to be here, or it's pleasure to be here. Suppose you have won an election. Now you have organized a party and you are now welcoming your guest. As this is the party of victory, it can be that I am very pleased to welcome you to our little celebration, and I must thank you for what you have done for the election or for the party. I am very pleased to welcome you all to our little celebration. You can introduce like this way. Good evening, Samir. Let me introduce you to Mr. Farooq, my neighbor. Okay, the condition may be that you booked a hotel and you are a student, and now you are getting the key from hotel manager and he is greeting you like that. How do you do? As this is formal and also you are completely unknown, he must greet you like that. How do you do? How can we help you? Or welcome to our hotel. hotel manager, or how do you do? All come to our hotel. Hope you enjoy your stay with us. In reply, you can say, thank you, nice to meet you. You must at first give thanks. Actually, nice to meet you, good day. You can say just anyone. Instead of how do, you can also say nice to meet you, pleased to meet you. As he is ready to give you service and he welcomes you, in reply you just can say nice to meet you, thanks. Okay, then there may be question like that. What's the difference between are you Mr. Smith or I don't know your name? Actually, are you Mr. Smith when you met someone and unknown and it's formal. Suppose you have heard or your colleague, a new appointed colleague, but you know his name but you are not sure. Then you can say, are you Mr. Swell or are you Mr. Y, like this expression. But in the informal way, you can ask, I don't know your name, or you must be, suppose you must be Mr. Kamal. Suppose you know but you are not sure that is this that person. You must be Mr. Kamal. Informal. So, how do you do is completely formal expression. And when you meet first someone first and hi, hey, these are informal expressions. Or how are you, but hello, how do you do, formal expression. And how are you demands answers, complete answer, that how are you, I am fine, or I am not feeling well, I am perfect, I am very well, or not so bad, or things must be worse. Actually, this type of expression, how are you, when you meet someone formally, it does not demand exact answer. Actually, in answer you have to say, I am fine, so or so, like this. Is it clear? Okay, you can just then select category, that which type of expression you will use when. What are the formal expression, what are the informal expressions? Okay, then I think it will be easier for you. Okay, could you take the sheet?